Make a curved linear incision centered just posterior to the medial epicondyle and down to the muscle fascia. Expose and protect the medial antebrachial cutaneous and ulnar nerves during dissection and retraction. Using a muscle-splitting approach, expose the ulnar collateral ligament. Place the drill guide on the sublime tubercle. Drill a socket using the 2.7 mm drill. Tap the socket using the gray-handled tap. Load a 3.5 mm PEEK SwiveLock anchor with collagen-coated FiberTape suture and a No. 0 FiberWire suture repair stitch. Insert the anchor into the socket until it is flush with the bone. Repair the native ligament back to the sublime tubercle using the No. 0 suture. Repair any incised portion of the ligament with side-to-side stitches. Place the drill guide on the proximal origin of the UCL at the medial epicondyle. Drill a socket using the 2.7 mm drill. Tap the socket using the red-handled tap. Load the FiberTape tails from the distal anchor into a 3.5 mm PEEK SwiveLock anchor. Insert the anchor until the anchor touches the opening of the socket. Take the elbow through a full range of motion to check for adequate tensioning. Insert the anchor and tension accordingly. Use the remaining 0 FiberWire suture to sew the FiberTape to the underlying ligament to complete the repair.